Today I'm walking you through how to update your iPhone to iOS 18.6.1, plus a new bonus for Apple Watch users, a redesigned blood oxygen feature for Series 9, Series 10 and Ultra 2 in the US. Let's dive in. Here's what's new in iOS 18.6.1. Apple now enables a redesigned blood oxygen experience, but only in the United States, and only for Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10 and Ultra 2 owners who previously didn't have the feature. The watch still collects the sensor data, but your iPhone calculates the measurement and displays it in the Health app under Respiratory. This update is part of a workaround to comply with recent legal rulings. So if you've been waiting to get that monitoring back, this is the one. Ready to update? Here's how. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Tap Download and install under iOS 18.6.1. Enter your passcode if prompted, then let it install. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart, and you'll be on iOS 18.6.1. And that's it. You're all set. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Want more iPhone tips? Let me know in the comments.